The University of Denver's Native Student Alliance hosted their third annual Spring Powwow on Sunday, May 19th.
It's a huge event where we invite people from the Native community all over the United States, as well as the entire DU community. For those of you who aren't familiar with the powwow, it is a celebration of culture and spirituality in Native communities. It incorporates a lot of dance and song. And here today we're having what is called a contest powwow. So each dancer in each category is actually being tallied and judged based on how well they're adhering to their style of dance, how well they're combining their dance with their outfit, or also known as their regalia. And it's just a way to kind of tally them up, and there's a first, second, and third place, and those all receive cash prizes. We have vendors selling everything from jewelry to clothes to beadwork to stuffed animals to keychains to home goods. I mean, you name it, it's here, and it's all handcrafted and it's all, independently run, which is really great.
The powwow brought together Native communities from all over the United States, as well as the Denver community.
Like the Native community, they're these borders or state lines, they don't really matter to us, and so it's just word of mouth. It can literally go from one person to the next person to someone who's in New York. It's like a family within the world basically, and we're just we're there to support each other, and whenever we have these powwows and stuff like that, people come from all over, and it's just the word of mouth and the respect thing.
Though there was a large turnout this year, the Native Student Alliance wishes to bring out more of the University of Denver community moving forward.
Obviously we're always trying to get more and more people to come out every year, but I'd say this year it was a great turnout. A lot of people showed up. I've seen a lot of people from campus coming today and constantly coming in and out, which is really great to see.
And last year it was really big, and this year it seems to be bigger than last year, so it's progressing, and so we're trying to make it not just an NSA annual tradition, we're trying to make it a DU tradition.
Chancellor Robert Coombe, who was in attendance, feels that more students should participate in the events such as the powwow.
Part of inclusive excellence at the university has to do with everybody learning about one another and understanding one another so that we can create this kind of community here that takes advantage of everyone's differences, right? That takes advantage of everybody's different backgrounds, of different ways of thinking, different ways of understanding things. And, an institution like ours can be very, very diverse, but if we don't really work to understand one another, we're not going to be able to reap the benefits of that diversity. That's what inclusion's about. So these kinds of things, present an opportunity for precisely that, right? For the DU community to understand more about the Native students that are a part of that community. So that's why we're going to keep working to try to get more and more DU people out here.